Downloading data from AliExpress can be useful for tracking orders, analyzing purchases, or managing your shopping experience. Follow these steps to successfully download your data. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the AliExpress website and log into your account using your registered email and password. Step 2. Access your account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. You can usually find this option by clicking on your profile icon in the top right corner of the homepage. Step 3. Find data download options. In the account settings menu, look for a section related to privacy or data management. This section may contain options for downloading your data. Step 4. Request data download. Follow the prompts to request a data download. You may need to specify what type of data you want, such as order history, wish lists, or account details. Step 5. Check your email for the download link. After submitting your request, check your email for a confirmation message from AliExpress. This email will contain a link or instructions on how to download your data once it is ready. Make sure to follow the instructions carefully to access your data. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to AliExpress customer support for assistance.